Today in the grain market, soybeans did firm up today. There's favorable weather in Brazil. Now it's 16% harvested. Plus, South America base is also weakening. And yet, futures did rebound after making a new recent low down to 1179 and a half. But the market did firm back up again. Option open interest added 1600 to the call side. So we have 126,000 open interest on the calls and 140,000 on the put. So perhaps weighing down a little bit. That highest open interest is still at that $11 strike on the put side. The CVOL right now in the soybeans is at 18.2%, with the oil at 27.5 and the meal at 25.3. Now today corn was lower. Investors did add to the short positions, and it's the largest since 2020. Futures were down 3.5 cents. We get down to 439 and a half, and really just 3%, 3 cents off of making a new low. Option open interest really sold out. Some of the calls, 3,800 on the call side, mostly in the $5 and the 480 strike. We still have 219,000 open interest on the calls and just 151 on the puts. There was some selling on the puts as well, 1,200 or so, and still that 440 number is where the highest open interest is, and it seems that we are basically right here. CVOL for corn is at 18.3%. Wheat today was down. Ukraine exports are robust, and it seems that passage through that Black Sea area seems to be relatively open for now. The futures did drop 13 cents to 586 and three quarters. Kansas City was down as well as choppy trade continues to plague the wheat market. So we've got one day up, the next day lower. In the option open interest, we added 1,200 or 1,300 to the calls, 1,200 to the put side. We still have a 2-to-1 margin with 100,000 open interest on the calls, just 51 on the puts. That fence still remains between that 570 on the low side and 650 on the high side, but we're getting ever so close on the bottom side. The CVOL for wheat is at 27.8%. Grains this week will be certainly eyeing that USDA report that's coming out on Thursday.